Hi, I'm Zach Conley,
And I'm Jody Emmons.
and this is Cresa Client Conversations, and today we're sitting with Challen from SI Group. I tell people, or try to convince them, right, because this is one of the hardest things, is that this is a process. It takes time, and we work together to end up with a great result, right? It takes time, and we've worked together now for 2 years plus, I believe.
Yeah.
You know, from way back when it was, hey, SI Group saying we need a new office, but we don't know what we need. We don't know what kind of footprint we need. We don't know what kind of space we need to be in, all the way through to, Jody really assisting with helping make sure that the construction was completed properly based on the design that you did.
And Cresa was also able to help us pick the right spaces for our hybrid office as well. So we're able to look at, okay, here's how many private spaces that we should have, how many collaboration spaces based on what our expected needs were, which was really helpful. Because we're not workspace design experts, and that's where we're able to lean on Cresa.
Yeah, I mean, this would have been August of 2021 when we started this process, when you were in Niskayuna before the sale of the building and looking for space and not knowing how much space, because again, there wasn't a prescription on the hybrid. So it was really exploring how many employees do we really want to come back to the office? Do we expect at the office at any given time? So there was a lot of analysis that went into discovering how much space, and then working with Zach and his team to find the right. And we did hone in on Mohawk Harbor pretty quick, just given all of the check the boxes of things that you wanted. We're really there from the very beginning of concept until you guys move in. So it's a 2-year process, but with that, it's we really get to know who you are, and it's nice to have that consistency throughout the entire project. There's a lot of parts and pieces that go into this.
Yeah.
We chose to work with Cresa because you guys could do it all. And there's so many pieces of this project that we wanted to make sure it was done right. And we had, the trust that you guys could help us from the very beginning all the way through the end. Even to the managing of all of those vendors at the very end, where you have so many different suppliers bringing all of these different pieces to your office, and Cresa was able to help us throughout the process.
We've really enjoyed working with you guys, and thank you for, trusting us to help you do this. I'm glad you found that it's a great success, because that's what we love so much, what we're so passionate about.